Alright, so here's the unboxing of this Yale's deadbolt. That's the box that it comes in. It is quite a sturdy packaging, I might say. So online ordering is definitely an option. Comes with paperwork, some paperwork how to activate the online portion of it, how to activate the online locking and locking, some instructions. That's the actual deadbolt. That's where the smart lock is supposed to be if you want to upgrade here. This is an item that you can purchase separately, or they're selling also kits that are with this particular deadbolt. Comes with the batteries, so it's a complete set. That's the actual deadbolt, and yep, and that's it. You get this thing that falls on the back of the door, and you have the latch on the other side. Just let me see. So that's the actual latch hardware. Dirty. Alright. This is nice and thick. Yep. And long screws. What are those actually, nails? Oh, those are screws. They're supposed to be that big, but I was expecting something a little bit thicker. Anyways, there is this two position lock. So it's right there. No, it's actually one position. I kind of expected two positions. Yep. So that is Yale deadbolt, electronic deadbolt. Thanks for watching.